In the first step, you need to download the Gcode file from the Fluid interface, or if you already copied the Gcode in a pen drive, you need to open the Gcode in a notepad or notepad plus plus software. Just open the Gcode in notepad, and after opening it, and you need to measure till what height the part has been printed. Let's say the part has printed 256 mm. So we need to search for Control F Z256. So we'll find the nearest line. Till that point, we have printed part point 2, point 3, or point 4. After that, we need to remove all the lines till the top. We need to click Shift and click on the first line, and it will remove all the lines. After that, you need to enter in the first line, that is in capital letters, set underscore kinematic underscore z equal to the current position till the part has been printed. After that, in the next line, you need to mention G28. X0Y0, and just save this G code and rename this G code as resume the file name. After that, just upload this G code to the Fluid interface, or just copy the G code into a pen drive and load it to the machine. And just make sure the nozzle is just touching the part. And after that, just click on print. That's it. The part will start printing. Thank you.